Sige, final.
May I request everyone to please stand for our opening prayer. Miss Duna, can you lead the prayer? Amen. Amen. Please do remain standing for Energizer. Do you know the song I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic?
Yes.
Okay, class, thank you for your cooperation. Now, before you take your seat, kindly arrange your chairs and pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs. Okay, kindly count off class. 1, 2, 4, 5.
6.
Okay, very good. No one is absent today. Now, for us to have a small discussion class, I have here a classroom rules. Okay, Mr. Yago, can you read our classroom rules?
Classroom rules in acronym with rule. R stands for respect everyone. O for obey instructions. L for listen attentively. E for engage actively.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Yago. Is that clear, class?
Yes.
Okay. Now, before we are going to proceed, who can recall what was our topic last meeting? Miss Kadayuna?
Last meeting, we talked about teaching communication for student collaboration.
Very good. It's all about teaching communication and student collaboration. Now, let's have first an activity. Okay, I have here a picture. Then you will identify what the picture says. It's all about. Anyone?
The rule of communication.
Okay, could be. What other? Yes, Ms. Kadayuna?
Collaborating with others.
Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, our topic for today is all about the role of teacher communication in student behavior. But before that, let us read first the objectives. Okay, all together, please read.
Identify the different teachers' communication strategies that influence student behavior. Demonstrate appropriate teacher responses to common classroom situations and classify teacher treatment under the appropriate communication strategy. Show appreciation for fair, clear, and respectful communication and maintaining a positive classroom environment.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. So today, we will be discussing the topic which is all about the role of teacher communication in student behavior. So what do you think are the role of teacher in student behavior? Okay, what do you think? What is the communication? Communication stands for? Yes, Ms. Kadayuna? Okay, very good. Communication is okay, especially in the classroom. So the role of teacher communication is the most powerful tools that a teacher can use inside the classroom. So it is not only to share knowledge, but also to shape how students behave, learn, and grow. So in every classroom class, as a teacher is not only seen as an instructor, but also to guide, to be a role model and a leader whose word, action, and tone of how students respond. Okay, now let us look at the first highlights, which is all about using positive reinforcement to shape behavior. Miss Duna, can you read? Okay, thank you so much. So when we talk about using positive reinforcement class, it is all about giving praise, recognition, and rewards when students something do right. So instead of focusing only on mistake, so teachers highlight some positive action with students. So it will be help students to feel confident and motivated. For example, Miss Pastor, if you are a teacher, then you will give a student a well done sticker for finishing the homework. Okay, did you understand, class?
Yes.
Okay, second is communicating expectations clearly. So do you have any idea, Miss Pastor? Okay, thank you so much for your idea, Miss Pastor. So communicate the expectations clearly. So rules are only effective when students knows already what a teacher expects. So for example, a teacher gives an instruction before the group work. So as a teacher says that students will give an idea individually. Then the students will follow the rules what the teacher says. Okay. Number 3 is setting up behavior contract with students. Miss Kadayuna, kindly expand what your own idea about the setting up behavior. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Kadayuna. So behavior contract, it is all about the agreement between the teacher and the student. Okay. It promotes accountability since the students agree to follow the rules builds trust and cooperation. Like for example, the agreement between the teacher and the student. So the teacher says that he will submit the homework on time. So I will give the feedback on the next day. So this example shows that the teacher wants to avoid conflict or to promote responsibility and accountability between the teacher and the student. Okay, next we have providing consistent consequences through communication. So when we talk about consequences, Mr. Yago, what do you mean? The word consequences. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Yago. So rules are only effective when it is applied fairly and consistently. So the teachers will give an explanation clearly of what are the consequences of doing and every action. Okay, like for example, one of the classroom rules is no phone allowed during class. So the first offense is warning, while the second offense is the teacher will keep the phone until the class ends. Okay, did you understand what are the consistent consequences? Okay, let's proceed to number 5. Using nonverbal cues for behavior management. Miss Lopez, do you have any idea? What are the... Okay, thank you so much, Miss Lopez. So when we talk about nonverbal cues, this include eye contact, gesture, or standing near a student. So these are effective, clear, and easy to follow without any interrupting in the lessons. Okay, the key points is use gestures, eye contact, or signals. So it will help quietly manages the class behavior. It will save time and keeps order. Okay, do you have any question? None. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if none, then we will proceed to our activity. Okay, now our activity is which includes 3 activities. First is individual activity, second is pair, and the third is group activity. Now let's begin to individual activity. Okay, I have here a worksheet and I will distribute this to you. Okay, this is for you and this is for you. Okay, Mr. Yago, can you read the instruction? Direction only and the criteria. Okay, Miss Banyaris, can you read the directions and the criteria? By the way, our activity is all about individual. It's about
Clear expectations.
clear expectations, communication.
Okay, directions. Students will read the scenarios. Example, noisy classroom, late submission of homework. For each, they will write what clear teacher communication should sound.
Okay, the criteria.
The criteria, accuracy of responses 30%, clarity of communication suggested 40%, effort shown 30%, total of 100%.
Okay, is that clear, class?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you only 3 minutes to finish the situation. Okay, time's up. Okay, now, Mr. Banyaris, can you present what is your idea about the first situation? Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Banyaris. Okay, next, Miss Pastor. The second situation. Okay, very good, Miss Pastor. Third, Mr. Yago. The third scenario. Okay, very good. Let's give yourself a 5 claps. Now, let's proceed to pair activity. Now, I want you to find a partner. Okay. Okay, everyone has a partner?
Yes.
Okay, this is for you and this is for you. Okay. Can you read the instruction, Miss Karayuna, the direction and the criteria?
Partners will match each misbehavior to a fair, consistent consequences. The criteria are correctness of matches 30%, teamwork 40%, completeness 30%, a total of 100%.
Okay, so that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will work with your partner now. I will give you only 3 minutes. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I want you to present your work in front. Okay, the next pair behind this first row. Okay, can we proceed to the front in front? Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Karayuna and Mr. Yato. Now, let's proceed to the group activity. Okay, I will group you into two. Okay, can we count off? 1 to 2?
1, 2, 1.
Okay, all group 1 here and all group 2 at the back. Okay, Miss Pastor, can you read the direction and the criteria?
Directions. Groups will search each statement or action under the correct strategy, like positive reinforcement, expectations, contracts, non-verbal.
Okay.
Criteria. Accuracy of story 30%, team collaboration 30%, and participation 40% to the total of 100%.
Okay, thank you so much. Now I will give you only 5 minutes to work with your group. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, now. Okay. Do you have any questions regarding to our activity? Okay, if none, then I will be the one to ask a question. Okay. Okay, since we already done our topic earlier, right?
Yes.
Okay, what was the topic that we discussed earlier? Anyone? Yes, Miss Kanayuna.
The role of teacher communication.
Very good. Let's give a round of applause to Miss Kanayuna. Okay, why is it important the communication in a classroom management? Mr. Yago, why is it important a communication in a classroom management?
It is important to avoid conflict within your class.
Very good. Let's give Mr. Yago a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, now I want you to get a 1/4 sheet of paper because we will have a short quiz. Okay, everyone, please read the direction.
Choose the correct answers.
Okay, this is 1 to 5 items only. Okay, I will give you only 5 minutes. Time starts now.
1/4 ma'am.
Yes, I already. Okay, time's up. Okay, all papers must be in front now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Miss Banalis, can you collect the papers? Okay, thank you. Okay, now for your assignment, get your notebook. Okay, everyone has a notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, kindly copy your assignment. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, can you stand up? Miss Banyaris, can you lead the prayer?
Amen.
Goodbye and thank you, class.
Goodbye.